Hi friends, today I'm going to talk to you about a product that EcoFlow is about to launch on the European market, especially in France, and which has already been available for a little while in the United States, the EcoFlow TRAIL. It's a portable battery that's even more portable than the river, designed for people who are going camping, hiking, to festivals, fishing, or who want to do live streaming, for example. The battery will still be relatively light because it will weigh less than 2 kilograms, roughly, and will have a capacity of about 192 watt-hours. 60,000 milliamp hours, which means it's like having 2 or 2.5 power banks. What mainly sets it apart from a river is that the connectors are mobile connectors, meaning USB connectors, and not, from what I've seen, 220-volt outlets. So, is that a problem for all mobile devices like laptops? No, you can easily charge a laptop. If you don't have a 220-volt adapter, obviously a tablet and a phone can still be charged. I would just have some doubts when it comes to high-capacity drones. For example, with my power bank, I wasn't able to charge my Mavic Air 2 directly. Maybe it's possible, maybe I'm just missing a cable, I really don't know. That's just the one small thing I could point out. So, the battery actually comes in 3 versions, the TRAIL 200 DC, the TRAIL 300 DC, and the TRAIL Plus 300 DC. They range from 192 watt-hours up to 288 watt-hours for the two 300 versions. What sets them apart is the type of battery inside. The 200 DC and 300 DC use Live Pro 4, while the 300 Plus DC uses NCM. Of course, each version has a different number of output ports. The simplest one has 2 USB-A outputs and 1 USB-C. The 300 DC version has 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C, and for the 300 Plus DC version, you'll get 2 USB-A and 3 USB-C ports with 140 watts, plus the car socket for both 300 versions. You know how much I love the EcoFlow app. I'm really happy when I see a whole ecosystem of EcoFlow batteries in the app. That's my thing. I really like that. Only the 300 Plus DC version can connect to the EcoFlow app. That's a real disappointment for me. There are some other small differences between the Plus and non-Plus versions, like an integrated flashlight, or for this version, the Trails, there's a carrying handle. One of the versions, the Hans, will come with an extra cable. So that's interesting. It'll help you by giving you an extra cable. Anyway, as you can see, there's yet another new battery in the lineup. After the portable batteries, after the stationary equipment for homes, after the power banks, we're somewhere between the power bank range and the river range. That is to say, it's really a portable battery for those who don't need to charge 220-volt devices, and that's becoming more and more common, so it wasn't a bad idea to get this kind of device. For people who don't necessarily need to recharge a small fridge, it's perfect. There are more and more devices that work with and recharge via USB-C. Here we have a battery that's going to be under 200 euros, maybe even 150 euros. Sometimes it's priced like a high-capacity power bank, except here you get a lot more capacity, though it does take up a bit more space. So, dear friends, let me know in the comments what you think of this version. Personally, I find it interesting, especially considering the price that's being announced. From what I hear, it's going to start at 149 euros, so that's pretty good. Add a small portable solar panel to that and you're all set. That's all for the EcoFlow news with this new EcoFlow TRAIL battery. Sending you hugs and see you soon. Don't hesitate to subscribe. The Coro 5 promo codes are in the description. The links to EcoFlow promotions are in the description. See you later. Goodbye.